In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Google Site with specific users. If you've built a site in Google Sites and want only certain people to see it or collaborate on it, this walkthrough will show you the exact steps, along with practical tips to keep everything clear and secure. Start by opening your site in Google Sites. Make sure you're signed in to the account that owns the site or has permission to manage sharing. If you have multiple tabs or multiple accounts open, take a second to confirm you're in the correct Google account and on the right site, so the changes apply where you expect. At the top of the page, look for the share button, usually shown as a person icon. It's typically in the upper right corner. Click that to open the sharing window. If you don't see this option, you may not have the right permissions, so check with the site owner or switch to the account that owns the site. In the sharing window, enter the email addresses of the people you want to share with. You can type or paste multiple addresses, and you can include a group address if your organization uses group mailing lists. Take a moment to double check spelling to avoid sending access to the wrong person. If there's a message field, it's a good place to add quick context so recipients know why they're getting access and what you need from them. Keep your notes short and clear. Next, choose the level of access for each person. Viewer allows someone to open and read the site without making changes. Editor grants permission to make edits, rearrange content, and adjust pages. If you want people to help build the site, choose Editor. If you only want them to review the published content, choose Viewer. When in doubt, start with Viewer and upgrade later if needed. Be mindful. Giving Editor access means they can change what visitors see and how the site is structured. When everything looks correct, click Send. The people you shared with will receive an email invitation that includes a link to the site. They may be asked to sign in, especially if the site is restricted to your organization. Let them know to check their spam or promotions folder if they don't see the email right away. That's it. You've shared your Google site with specific users. If you need to adjust or remove access later, return to the same share button to update roles, add new people, or revoke access as your project evolves.